Welcome to Crisis Cooking, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super simple spaghetti with tomato sauce. Let's go. For this recipe I will be using 2 tomatoes chopped, fresh oregano from my garden, 3-4 garlic cloves crushed, salt as needed, crushed red pepper, about 3-4 tablespoons of olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste, and about half a pound of spaghetti. You can use any pasta you have in the pantry. And for the sauce, as you can see, it's really simple because that's what I have left in the fridge. Alright guys, let's start with the basics, guys. For every 100 grams of pasta, you will need 1 liter at least of water. For every liter of water, you will need about 10 grams of salt, which is 2/3 of a tablespoon. Okay? The pasta that we're going to be using today, we would need at least 2 liters of water. Now, I probably added around 3.5 liters, and so I put 3 tablespoons of salt in. So I started warming up the pan. Then once it warmed up, I added the olive oil. Now, as soon as the olive oil is ready, I will add the crushed garlic, and I will let the garlic saute in the pan for about 2 minutes. So I added the garlic and also the crushed red pepper. So the garlic will need to infuse its essential oils to the oil. So I kind of like to fry it a little bit and tilt the pan on medium high heat. I'd say medium heat. And I'll do this for about 2 minutes. As soon as the garlic changed color and you can start smelling it, it's time to add the tomatoes. The tomatoes are in. I'm sauteing them with the oregano already. I added the tomato paste in and I dissolved it with about 4 ladles of pasta water. It's very important to do this because the sauce now will bind with the pasta perfectly because of the starch in the pasta water. The spaghetti, you cannot see anything as usual. The spaghetti are cooking in boiling water for about 10 minutes. The package says 12 minutes, but I like to cook it al dente, so 1 or 2 minutes less so I can finish it in the sauce. Okay guys, I just drained my spaghetti and I'm gonna toss it in the sauce. There you go. And now we're gonna finish cooking them for about 2 minutes. And this is how I like to do it. If you're not able to saute the pasta this way, just mix it up real fast. It's important to do this though because it has a couple of different functions. First of all, it binds the pasta with the sauce and it finishes cooking it. Second, it releases the heat that would overcook the pasta otherwise. It's not easy to do this by holding the phone in the other hand, but I'm managing. So as you can see, the sauce is being absorbed by the pasta gradually. I'm going with the left now. More seconds and it's ready. I forgot to mention, guys, that I removed the garlic cloves because they already did what they needed to do. So I finished cooking the sauce without them. Buon appetito!